guys, welcome to the Hackerman channel. And today we'll start a Python series. I think you know that Python is very helpful for a hacker. You can make scripts to your own. So I am assuming that you know Python, the basics of the Python, like if else case, loop, functions, everything. Okay, every basics thing. So we will start Python for penetration testing. It's not a advanced level penetration testing, but it's for basic level and you can start from it. So today in this video we'll see how to use nmap in Python. First of all, you need to install pip install python nmap. I think I'm right. Yes, I'm right. Pip install python nmap. Okay, so after that import nmap, import sys, and I think you know what is sys. So let's make our target easy. First of all, let's make a string sys.argv1 port. Let's take some hard-coded ports like in a list 20, 21, 139, and what say 443, and what others 80, 80. Okay, then let's initialize our nmap dot port. I'm giving you a basic knowledge of Python for doing penetration testing. Okay, so let's get started. Let's give some like scanning target for ports, motherfucker. What's say 80, sorry 20, 21, 139, etc, etc. So let's take this in a oh sorry, I didn't include 80. Let's take it 80. Okay, done. So now let's take a look for port in ports. It will scan all the ports. Port scan. I'm taking a variable scan v dot scan target screen port. Okay, it is simple that it will scan the target and the port number. Okay, so let's print the status code now. That is it open, is it closed, is the host is up or it's down, is port scan target. It will scan the target and you know it's a TCP connection, and port, sorry port, sorry, no, it's not a string variable, and it will give me the state. Okay, that's done. Now again port, I think no, that's host target is again same line here. I will just copy it out up to here, and here I will give status target, no need of TCP, status. Okay, done. Now let's see how it's work. We'll try now localhost because I don't want to, yeah, you know, I don't want to say. So I think that's all. 443. Oh yeah, 80 is open and that's it's showing up. So I hope you will understand this. If not, if you want to explain me more, then you can comment it out, or else goodbye. Fuck you.